So we basically got over the first half of 2017. I thought it was a good time to kind of go back and review the tactical book. As you can see, for the second quarter of 2017, we definitely had a lot less trades. There was really only 9 kind of closed positions stemming from 7 ideas. The win ratio was exceptionally high at 89%. That was even higher than the 68% from the first quarter, which I thought was already very, very high. The biggest win was about 192 basis points. That was obviously the high super conviction short we had on dollar Swissy, and the biggest loss was about 99 basis points, and that was of course the tactical long on Aussie Kiwi that we got wrong going into kind of the RBNZ. It's interesting to kind of see, obviously, and compare it to the first quarter where there was a lot more kind of positions. I believe there was kind of 25 and about maybe 17 different kind of trade ideas. I found the second quarter to be a little bit more challenging. I was of course also off the desk, which influences your ability to kind of look at things. But also what was interesting was the performance was not much, how should I say, worse than the first quarter where we did quite well, right? I mean, the book as a whole is annualizing, not annualizing, but it's just a little bit under 600 basis points. So it was interesting to see to get almost the same percentage return, but with a lot less positions and trades taken and a lot more kind of concentrated, kind of heavy bets. My kind of thinking as we kind of go into the third quarter and fourth quarter is to be a little bit more selective and to take slightly more kind of high kind of conviction opportunities. Also just because from just an operational sense of updating things, it just keeps things a lot simpler, and potentially also doing trade ideas that also have a tactical and strategic element, and then they can kind of go into both books. And for those wondering why I've not done a review on the strategic book, it's just because there's just not enough closed positions. Generally speaking, you need about at least 20 closed trades to at least mathematically get away from any of the noise that could be from luck or just plain kind of randomness. But let's see how the second half of the year goes. Really hoping to get some big high conviction monster trades out there that can really kind of move the meter on the P&L.